great bunch of people. I mean, these guys are the best. Our surrounding communities, our allies. When we have a problem, they're there. They're there to help us. But this group is a group. I'm so proud of this group. It's unbelievable. I can't say enough about these guys. Scott, you're doing a wonderful job, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. I, say your name, please. Do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same and to the governments established in the United States and in this state, under the authority of the people, and that I will faithfully, impartially, and justly perform all the duties of the office of Ladies Auxiliary, according to the best of my ability. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I, say your name, please. Do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of this state. I will bear true faith, allegiance to the same and this government established in the United States and in this state, under the authority of the people, and that I will faithfully, impartially, and justly perform all the duties of the office of right? According to the best of my ability. So help me God. Congratulations. You're in charge. You're all in charge. Thank you. Good job. Thank you, Mr. President.
I state your name. Do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same and to the governments established in the United States and in this state, under the authority of the people, and that I will faithfully, impartially, and justly perform all the duties of the office of, according to the best of my ability. So help me God. Congratulations.
I, please state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New Jersey. And will bear true faith and allegiance to the same and to the governments established in the United States and in this state, under the authority of the people, and that I will faithfully, impartially, justly perform all the duties of the office of. You got it? According to the best of my ability. So help me God. Congratulations. Well, we did it. Now we have a true, ready-to-go department. With this department, like I told you, anywhere I go in the state of New Jersey, you talk about Hightstown, talk about the fire department. You young guys, listen to some of us old guys. You got to go to this with all commitment and pay attention to what you're doing. We expect you to come home. We want you to be safe all the time. Use your head and listen to those guys above you. These are the guys here that'll save your life. So, again, I applaud each and every one of you. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor.